Hi, this is my brother and me with our mum. She's the best mum ever! Not only when she cooks and bakes for us, even doing homework is fun with her. Though her own work at home is not always funny. She has so many things to do and really needs help. That's why my brother and me saved some money and ordered a perfect helper for Mum. And here it is, a real yellow sweeper. It's a Kärcher for sure. She really likes it. Like we do. Now sweeping is so easy, 5 times faster than a broom and 100 times cooler. And the best thing is, thanks to our personal assistant, we now have more time with our mom.